Hi guys, it's another day of RC cars cleaning here, and today, we got this RC car. I said that we're gonna drive it, and we are. I'm right now one hand driving it, so I can't do it so properly, but it at least works. Also, my hand remembers how to play it. Oh, that was great. There is a little pile of snow. I drove over it, got a little bit of luck. And then got more shit off in the snow. It doesn't matter, just go full speed and it'll just come off. Hey, just go full speed, it'll just come off. I'll be fine. Sorry. That's a single loud, that's two motors being on their loudest way. And that's two motors. I think it's dual motor that I heard. And it definitely looks like it. Does definitely have the name. Okay, I think that I should put it in the right hand because the right hand's more trusty. That's what it does look like when it's in the way. I'm right now one hand driving it. Oof. Crash. Around here somewhere. We're fine. Okay, so I crashed like that, and the wheels up to. That makes sense. A little bit of acid points, not that much problems. To fix up this. That body is beautiful. But like boof. Move right there. Up it goes. I do drifts. I don't do jumps that much. So I'm not a professional jumper. So if one of you are, hey, wait! Look at the wheel offset. All the other wheels are nice, but this wheel, so like wheel offset. I'll fix that up, I guess. Let's see what the problem is. What's your problem? Oh, you all know that you got offset. Don't be shy. Okay, I'm putting. Okay, got it. No, still offset it. Don't know why. So it's offset. Doesn't matter. Just a kind of bit doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. That's a lot. Doesn't matter, just bring it home. Just bring it home. Just tidy it up. Get one of these. When you get one of these, the first thing that you do is look at the block when there's too much stickers on. And this is. If I had two dimensions, yeah, I got brushless versions, well, they have no brushes. Brushless versions, they don't have any version to choose. Brushed versions mean that they have to choose, which is kind of annoying. This one is brushed, so sometimes when you bash it too hard, the gearbox just gets mad. That's good. D2 is just like all the gears, they're just like, I'm not gonna hold up. They're like all round sometimes. If you bash it too hard, but I'm not, but I will never bash it that hard. So it never happened. Yeah. 나 괜찮아. 장갑 입고. Okay, so I'm gonna record a video. There are my parents are right there. Yeah, the thing. Gaining power. Okay. Pretty good at driving this. Long time ago, driving this. I hope that. I sometimes hope that this like this. Good, that's it go. Yeah, that's just trigger footage. This is my RC car right now. Here's the footage of my RC car. Right now I'm walking. Okay, so going down this. There's salt right here. I don't like the salt. It's right on here. All of that is there. If I want to see car up. Here's the snow pile. Also messing my car up. So that's salt, and this snow combined, they become salt water, which messes up a lot of our cars. If they're not waterproof, well, they're dead. Which my RC car has a lot of water resistance. It's a water resistant car, not a waterproof one. And even if it's waterproof, the bearings, they just don't hold. They just bust. Just kidding. Yeah. Or not, I'm trying to control it. Oof. Not that good at controlling it. One hand controls it nice. Too hard. Nice for recording, too hard. Okay, just got hit in the gearbox right there. Is everything fine? No, it's not fine. Oh, great. Got that right there. See that? That right there. Apologize. Got that. That's a weak point. Try not to crash it. And another crack. It actually was hard. You bumped into this steel bar. Messed up the transmission sucks. Okay, I guess I should start recording. Bye.